god! Oh my god! Oh, the frog blew his ears out. Holy shit! What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to be the first to know exactly when my videos go live. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to pick up my buddy. He is an owner of a 370Z, Nismo engine, Nismo transmission, and he's having twin snails put on it right now. And once that's done, he's probably going to gap me into another dimension, but it is what it is. I'll be going big turbo soon enough, so I'm going to pick him up right now. He's going to be helping me with an install, which will be in the next video. But the purpose of this video is to get his reaction to the new stratified E30 tune. He hasn't really been in the car, and I figured, well, that's a good time to get a reaction since the tune is nearly complete. So he's actually creating his own YouTube channel right now. If you want, go ahead and check him out. It's going to be an awesome build. His YouTube name is FishtailingZ. It's going to be a really nice build. It's going to be a fast car. Can't wait to see it once it's all done. So once I pick him up, we'll do a couple of pulls, get his reaction. He'll talk a little bit about his car, introduce himself, and we'll have some fun. Alright guys, say what's up to Ocean, aka FishtailingZ. Follow him on both Instagram and Snapchat. I mean Instagram and YouTube. Don't follow him on Snapchat. He's a loser. I'm just kidding.
Oh. Yeah, you don't slide at all. Well, barely, I think. I freaking go crazy right here.
So today we're gonna get his reaction to the new tune, and go ahead and tell him what you're about to do to your car.
Oh, I have a 370Z that's getting fast intention twin turbo put in, and it's in the shop right now. It'll be back in a few days, and I just have to tune it, and I'm good.
I do have to go get some E30.
I could hear you the whole way. I was like, where is this man at? And then I just hear the gunshots from far away, and then I heard your exhaust.
In 4 miles, turn left onto North to Wolf Avenue.
Oh, damn, that was loud. Hey, there's a Supra that lives on one of these houses. I barely saw it for the first time. Oh my god, that sounded like a suppressed tune.
How did that pull feel back there?
That was nasty. That was actually nasty.
I'll do a 30 roll. Or actually, let me do a 50 roll first.
Still on 30 PSI?
For some reason, I'm not getting full boost.
What the hell? What the hell? The needle just flies. God damn.
I'm only hitting 19 pounds for some reason.
1 mile.
Oh, damn. Man, that one night with all the Mustangs, holy shit, man! It sounded like you were shooting out the windows in the middle of the night when we left from the long time ago when we left from the boba place.
Oh yeah.
It was like I was like, oh god damn!
Take a slight right turn onto Shaw.
Oh god damn! Imagine what the people in the houses think. God damn! Now I think that was the loudest one so far. Oh! I spoke too soon. Oh damn! God damn, that would actually hurt my ear, that other one. I'm really
In 1
excited
mile,
to be
take
part
a
of the
slight right turn
anti-lag
onto Shaw
club.
Avenue.
Cause my two-step is loud, but it's just beefy. Doesn't actually sound like
I haven't heard
gunshots.
my two-step in a minute. I don't know what's going on with my boost.
You got like a bad hose, maybe?
I might have blown a couple of rods.
Oh my god. You probably have like a tear.
Watch it right here. It'll spike up and then drop down.
Oh yeah, 19. I went to 21 and dropped to 19.
It should be like hitting 28. This is only a partial experience for you.
It still feels nasty. It's so damn torquey.
Take a slight right turn onto Shaw Avenue. Then turn right. Turn right onto Shaw Avenue.
Well, how have you not been stay revved? I don't think I'll ever be able to turn like that. Is that a Hellcat?
Yeah.
I really need to cut my hair.
Pisses me off. I don't know what's going on.
Were you at full boost on the way here?
Mm-hmm.
These cars don't want to even get near you. Have you done that in front of a cop?
Hell no.
Not even on accident?
On accident I have.
Did you get pulled over?
Nope. Stock.
Lucky.
100% stock.
God damn!
Watch him.
Even with that full turn.
Oh, I should have.
Yeah, no.
I definitely need to make a scare video.
Oh! That guy was staring. There's a guy in the parking lot, like all the way at the end, like just staring. Oh, that is so awkward, but put me next to them. Oh, right here.
I want to see somebody fall off their bike.
They're not gonna do a front flip just because you.
Well, good thing I'm going to be fixing the car here in a minute and finding out where my boost leak's from. Alright, so I pulled over to get some E85. I inspected my charge pipe that connects to the throttle body yet again. It's pretty much almost all the way popped off, so we'll be fixing that here real soon.
You pulled pretty damn hard, I'm not gonna lie.
That thing's quick.
Nice car, man.
Thank you.
I've never seen you around here before.
I live right around the corner.
Hey, he pulls pretty damn hard though. Brakes are nasty.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, the front blew his ears out. Holy shit! Oh, I think you killed him. He's all the way back. Oh, damn, that was. Oh man, that's what ear rape. Oh, that one was so loud. Don't forget the window. I don't want to look at this man. He's staying back.
Oh, that's That's man abuse. Oh man.
Alright guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and conclude today's video. What did you think?
It's freaking fast even without all the boost. It's violent.
Oops. So we'll have to get another reaction with it being how it's supposed to. And maybe we'll get that tonight, maybe we won't. Either way, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of his reaction. Don't forget to go ahead and follow him. Once again, Fishtailing Z. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.